Hello everybody and welcome to this Python tutorial number 13, I think, or 12. I don't know. Anyways, today I will be talking about continue versus pass versus break. So what's the difference between the three? And I know we didn't even talk about these, but you'll get to know these right today in this video. So open your IDLE and then I have everything prepared. So they have 3 blocks of code, 4 loops, and then they have the exact same things inside except for continue, break, and then pass. So let's have a look at the first one. Let me just comment here. Okay, and then here, let's see what it's gonna do. So let me pull up bamboo paper, and then let me take a picture of it. Maybe I don't know. Actually, no, let's not take a picture. Okay. Then new page. So yeah. So then we have the for loop here, and then let's print x, and then we have if, and then continue. I'm using a mouse, by the way, so, and then we have else, print, and then we print again. So what is this gonna do? It's gonna make another color. So let's make this red. Okay, and then it's okay. And then let's see. So first of all, it goes on top of the loop. So it comes here into the for loop, and then it says that here you have to run it 100 times. So we print x. So it's gonna print. It starts with 0. So it prints 0. First number is 0, and then if x is greater than 5, which is not for now, so it just passes it, and then it goes here and it says else, and then it prints high because it is less than 5. So now it comes back here at the end of the loop and it prints OK. So then it does this until it hits 6. So when it hits 6, it comes on top of the loop. It prints x, well, it's going to be 6. It comes here and it says if x is greater than 6, if x is greater than 6, continue. Now it hits the continue. So what the continue is going to do is going to make it go back on top of the for loop, and then it's going to redo the for loop again, and then it hits again continue, and it goes back just until the for loop hits 99. So goes back, so that's what it does basically. So that's all of these. So all of these, let me make it another color actually. So all of these, this block here is not gonna get printed out after the sixth time it goes. So here, this one is gonna go a big X. So hopefully you guys understood, okay? So let's erase that and let's run that, okay? So let's run that. There we go. Let's go back on top. So it prints 0, as I said. Then it prints high. So let me just move this a little bit. There we go. It prints 0, and then it prints high, and then okay, and then 1, and then it redoes this until it hits 6. So it redoes this, and then it hits 6. So then when it hits 6, it prints 6, obviously, like 6, and then it comes here if x is greater than 5, which is true, right? Because it's 6. Continue. So then when as I said, when it hits continue, it goes back on top of the loop, and then when it hits again, goes back onto the loop, and then it hits again, it goes back onto the loop, up until 99. Where's 99? 99. So yeah, hopefully you guys understood. So this is for the continue. So let me just comment that right now, and comment that, then remove this, and then comment this one. And I missed the comment. Okay, that's good. And then let me just move this here. And then now we have this break. So let's see what it does. So let me just get a black color. There it is. Okay, and then let's see. So we have the for loop. We print. Oh boy. We have the if, the break, else. Oh boy. I'm not writing very good, am I? The print. Oh boy. And then we have print again. So what is this gonna do? Let me just change the color. Actually, let's put it back. Come back. Choose. No, not this. This. Okay. So now what it's gonna do? Let's go back. So obviously it's a for loop. So it starts here, and then it goes 100, right? So then it prints x. So it starts at 0. So it prints 0 first. So if x is greater than 5, which is not true, so it's gonna skip this. It's gonna skip this block of code because x is not greater than 5 yet. And then it comes to the else, and then it prints high. So obviously it's going to print high because x is not greater than 5 yet. And then it prints okay. And then if it does this 6 times, because including 0, 6 times until it hits number 6. When it hits number 6, it goes over here, and then it prints x, which is 6. And then it goes here. It's like if x is greater than 6, x is greater than 5, which is true. And it comes here and it says break. So when it sees break, what break is gonna do? It's just gonna stop the whole loop. So yeah, what is the output is gonna be like? Is gonna be. So let's start over again. So the out loop when we start is gonna be 0 and then high okay, 0 high okay, and it's gonna be 1 high okay, 2 high okay, 3 high okay, 4 high okay, 5 high okay, and then 6. Because print x is before the if statement. So let's run that. Okay, there you go. 0 high okay, 1 high okay, 2 high okay, 3 high okay, 4 high okay, 5 high okay, 6. So if you didn't want to print that 6, just take this and then put it after the no, not the here. Oops. And then put it here, and then it's not gonna print. Oh, whoops, I guess I can't put it in between. So let's remove this, and then let's put it here. And then there we go. 0 high okay. Then you get the point anyways, but that's not what we wanted, so we just put it back here, and then it's gonna say what I did. 0 high okay, 1 high okay, 2 high okay, 3 high okay. Okay, and so on. So hopefully you guys understood. And let me just delete this. And let's go on to the pass. So, there we go. So this is the pass. Let me print. Let me not print, but let me just take a color black. This one. Okay. So now what the pass does. So let me just for the drawing and then print, and then if pass, and then else, and then print, and then print. So the pass is very simple. So let's start. So let me just change the color. Oops. Oh, is that the color I wanted? Yeah, that's the color. Okay, so it's gonna come up onto the for loop here. So let's start here. So then it sees here to 100, so whatever. So it set as 0, so it prints 0. And then it comes if x is greater than 5, which is not true yet. So no, so this it just passes over it because x is not greater than 5 yet. So this block of code, it just skips over it. And then it comes to else, and then it prints high, and then okay. So the first output is going to be 0 high OK, 1 high OK, 2 high OK, 3 high OK, 4 high OK, 5 high OK, 6 high OK, 7 high OK, 8 high OK, and then up until 99 high OK. Why? Because pass simply does nothing. So why would you use pass? Because let's see. I had a function. I was making a code, and I had a function. I didn't know what to put inside, so you put pass. So then it doesn't do anything because I'm gonna put some stuff inside later. So because if you put a function with nothing inside, it gives you an error. So just put pass, and then it skips over it. So yeah. So let's run that, and then should be 0 high OK up until 99 high OK. There you go. And why is it not printing high OK? Let's see. Oh, okay. So now we go back and then it's like if x is greater than 5, which it's not, and then it prints high when it's not. So yeah, that's what basically it is. So here it's 0 up until 5, it prints high, and then the others doesn't print. So yeah, hopefully you guys understood. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, so hopefully you guys understood. Comment in the comments if you have any errors or any questions. Subscribe, like, and turn on notification. It really helps me out, and you stay tuned for next video. So yeah, okay, I'll see you guys later. And also, if you're interested in some Arduino lessons, I have an Arduino series. Go check it out. I have a bunch of projects coming soon. So I'll see you guys later.